Hey friends, we're here at the Savory Grape crafting cocktails, and as the weather gets cooler, we like to change our cocktail wardrobe, moving out some of the lighter spirits and bringing in some of the heavier, more robustful styles. And I personally, during this time of the season, like to make an espresso martini at home. So I want to show you some of the things that I do that are super easy and some products that I like to use. First, we'll start off with the vodka. I use Hanson's, which is from Sonoma, California. It's actually made from grapes. I have developed some allergies over the last couple of years, and this is all gluten-free and organic. Obviously, whatever vodka you have at home, if you choose Tito's or some other niche small boutique brand, you can use that as well. Then I add in Bailey's, and this is the Bailey's Almande. So again, I have an allergy to dairy, I can't have dairy, so I use this because it's made from almond milk. However, you can use regular Bailey's at home if you have that, which works perfectly and just fine. Then I add a little bit of chocolate liqueur, and this is Meletti, which is from Italy. It's all handcrafted, boutique produced. I just use a little bit of this. And then I make my own espresso at home. So if you don't have one of the small espresso machines and you can make regular coffee, if you don't drink coffee at home, then you can replace real coffee with the St. George coffee liqueur, which will work just as fine. So let's get started in crafting it. Get a shaker, if you have a shaker at home. If not, you can use another glass, and then I fill it with ice. So we're going to start off with the vodka, and I use the vodka and just do it by eyeball and count. However, if you want to be precise, you can get a jigger and measure out the amount. So I use 2 ounces of vodka. So we're going to pour in 1, 2, and then I use anywhere from a ½ ounce to an ounce of the Bailey's Almande. Again, do it to taste. If you like it to be a little bit creamier, add a little bit more. So I'm going to do 1. And then the chocolate liqueur, I actually add less. I only use about 1/4 to ½ ounce because I don't like it very sweet. I like just a little bit in it. And then at the end, I add in the espresso. And I do an entire little cup of espresso. Again, if you have coffee, just do it to taste. The fun part about crafting cocktails is you make it the way you want and how it's going to taste for your personal preference. So just shake. And then what I do is strain it out into the martini glass. And we actually here at the Savory Grape just updated all of our glassware for the fall. So we have these really cool martini glasses, which I'm actually personally going to buy some for myself. And then just strain it in. However, if you want to use a rocks glass, you can do the same and serve it over ice. I like to have it without the ice in it, but if you want to use a rocks glass, delicious. Cheers. Happy fall.